Hello everyone, welcome to Appalamma'sKitchen. Kitchen. In this video, I would share the recipe of a breakfast item which is coconut dosa. This has got a very subtle taste. Let's see how it can be cooked. To start with, take a vessel. Take 2 glasses raw rice. Here I have taken Sona Masuri, the regular raw rice which we use every day. We can take idli rice, dosa rice, boiled rice, brown rice, any rice which is available in the market as per your wish. Add 2 tablespoons black gram. Here 2 glasses of rice is equal to half kg rice. Now add half teaspoon of fenugreek or methi seeds. Wash all the 3 ingredients thoroughly 2-3 times. Add sufficient water and soak for 5 to 6 hours. Now after 6 hours, all the 3 ingredients are perfectly soaked. Now we have to grind these, but let's do a small process before grinding. Take poha or aval or flattened rice. Okay, this is thick poha. Here I have taken 3/4 of a glass. I have taken 2 glasses of rice, for which I have taken 3/4 of a glass of thick poha. If it is medium, we have to take 1 glass. If it is thin poha or paper poha, we have to take 1/4 glass. Wash them, soak in sufficient water for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, the soft poha is ready. Now, transfer all the soaked ingredients to a mixer jar. The rice, fenugreek seeds and urad dal or black gram. Do not add a lot of water, add just little water so that the mixer can blend them. Now add poha also to it. Squeeze the water and add poha. Now the main ingredient, as we have said this as coconut dosa, add 1 glass of fresh grated coconut. Please do remember that coconut quantity should always be half the quantity of rice. Add desired salt, add some water, little water and grind. See, this is after grinding. By adding salt, the mixture gets grinded easily and it gets fermented easily. Those are the 2 reasons. Transfer everything to a vessel, let it sit for 12 hours. This is after 12 hours. The batter is perfectly fermented. See, the bubbles have formed and the fluffy batter could be seen here. But this seems to be little thick, so I am adding very little water after adding half spoon sugar. Sugar gives very nice color to dosa. It gives that golden shade to dosa. That's why we have added sugar. Add very little water. Let it be not very running or let it be not very thick. This is the desired consistency for coconut dosa. Now take a pan. This is the cast iron pan. You can take even non-stick. If it is non-stick, you need not apply oil at all. After greasing, pour 1 ladle, 2 ladles, depending on the size you would like to have. Okay, then spread thin, drizzle oil, and when you pour the batter, let the flame be on low. After pouring batter, after spreading, just increase the flame to either medium or high depending on the size of the dosa. After one side is roasted, flip and let it get roasted only a little on the other side for a few seconds, and the coconut dosa is absolutely ready to be served with any breakfast chutney of your choice. In the description box, I'll mention few breakfast chutneys which I have already uploaded. You can view those links. Hope you find this recipe useful in your everyday cooking. If you like it, please share and do subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.